Hello everyone. Again, this is Teacher JM and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about mathematics in grade 1, quarter 2 test reviewer with answer key. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils review for their quarterly examination or periodic test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following objects is the longest? Number 2. Among the three trees, which one is the tallest? Number 3. Which is the shortest ruler? Number 4. Which object is nearest to the flower vase? Number 5. Which has wider base? Number 6. Which book is the thickest? Number 7. If we use a pencil to measure the length of a book and the book is 3 pencils long, which item would be longer than the book? A ruler that is 4 pencils long. B. An eraser that is 2 pencils long. C. A bookmark that is 1 pencil long. D. A crayon that is 3 pencils long. Number 8. Which is the best object to measure the height of a desk? Number 9. To find out how long your desk is, you could measure it using A. Books, B. Shoes, C. Erasers, D. Any of the above. Number 10. If a box is 6 crayons long, what can we say about an item that is 7 crayons long? A. It is shorter than the box. B. It is longer than the box. C. It is the same length as the box. D. None of the above. Number 11. Using a paper clip to measure, if a pencil is 2 paper clip long and a notebook is 3 paper clip long, which is longer? A. Pencil, B. Notebook, C. Eraser, D. They are the same. Number 12. Which unit is best to measure the length of a classroom? A. Crayons, B. Desk, C. Books, D. Meter stick. Number 13. Arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. 25, 14, 36. A. 25, 14, 36. B. 14, 25, 36. C. 36, 25, 14. D. 25, 36, 14. Number 14. Which is the largest number? A 65, B 76, C 53, D 49. Number 15. Skip counting by 5 to complete this sequence. 10, 15, 20, blank. A 25, B 30, C 35, D 40. Number 16. Skip counting by 10 to complete this sequence. 20, 30, 40, blank. A 50, B 60, C 70, D 80. Number 17. Count by twos up to 12. Which number comes next? A 10, B 12, C 14, D 16. Number 18. What is the place value of the digit 4 in the number 45? A ones, B tens, C hundreds, D thousands. Number 19. What is the value of the digit 3 in 32? A 3, B 30, C 300, D 3000. Number 20. Which digit is in the ones place in the number 58? A 8, B 5, C 58, D 0. Number 21. Decompose 72 into tens and ones. A 7 tens and 2 ones. B 70 and 2. C both A and B. D neither A nor B. Number 22. How many apples are there in all? A 20, B 39, C 40, D 34. Number 23. How many bananas are there in all? A 3, B 9, C 14, D 10. Number 24. What is 15 plus 10? A 20, B 25, C 30, D 35. Number 25. Add 24 plus 9. A 31, B 33, C 32, D 29. Number 26. Which is the correct sum of 46 and 12? A 56, B 58, C 60, D 62. Number 27. Add these three numbers, 10 plus 20 plus 5. A 35, B 45, C 50, D 25. Number 28. Jake has 12 balls and he buys 6 more. How many balls does he have now? A. 20, B. 25, C. 18, D. 35. Number 29. Mary found 12 shells on the beach and then found 8 more. How many shells does she have now? A. 18, B. 20, C. 21, D. 22. Number 30. Lisa has 22 balloons, and she gives 7 to her friends. How many balloons does she have left? A. 10, B. 12, C. 15, D. 18. Let's now proceed in checking your answer. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. 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 The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.